Hi, hello, welcome back to Math&Me. So we are going to learn something new today. So it's geometric progression. From the chapter Sequences and Series. Okay. So what is a geometric progression? So for example, this is also called the GP. For example, when you have a series or a sequence of numbers. So when you have a sequence of numbers, for example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. So it's an infinite sequence. So what did we learn in arithmetic progression AP? So this is A1, A2, A3 and so on. So second term minus the first term equals A3 minus A2. A2, correct? So what do you have? 4 minus 2 equals 6 minus 4. 2 equals 2. So what do you see? If the common difference is the same throughout the sequence, the given sequence is an AP. So this is AP la padichom. Now we need to know what a GP is. Okay? Geometric progression na enna. So for example, you have a sequence of numbers 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and so on. So what do you see here? A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. So here instead of A2 minus A1, what do we do? A2 divided by A1 equals A3 divided by A2. Adavadhu, the ratio of the consequent terms should be equal. So that is the common difference here. Okay? So this we denote by R. AP la D equals A2 minus A1. Common difference. In that it is the ratio. So we denote by R. Okay? So what is the common ratio? A2 by A1 equals A3 by A2 equals A4 by A3 and so on. Okay? So what do you have? 4 by 2 equals 8 by 4. 2 equals 2. So what do you see? The given sequence is a geometric progression. Okay? Now AD la, how do we represent? The first term is A. The second term is A plus D. The third term is A plus 2D. And the last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is your nth term. So this is AP. Enna pannom nama first term plus D, first term plus 2D. Indha mari pannite ponom. So in a GP, what will you do? The first term is the first term itself. Second term la enna pannanom is A, R. What do we do here? A2 by A1 equals R. So what is your A2? It is A1 times R. So AR. What is your third term? AR square. So you are multiplying by R. In the edathila D add pannite poromo. Here we multiply by R. Every subsequent term. So what is your last term? AR to the n minus 1. Okay, you have to remember this. So what is your nth term of a GP? AR to the n minus 1. Okay? Okay. Now, similar to what we learnt in AP, sum of n terms is another n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What do you have in an AP? Sum of n terms is nothing but the first term times common ratio to the power of the number of terms, which is n minus 1, the whole divided by the common ratio minus 1. Okay? Or you can also write it as a times 1 minus r to the n divided by 1 minus r. You can use whichever you want. Okay? And basically, minus and minus all multiply panna. When the minus goes inside, you get 1 minus r1, you get 1 minus r. So these two are technically equal. Okay? Clear? So GP எப்படி represent பண்ணுவோம்? The first term is A, the second term is A by R, third term is AR square and so on. The last term, the nth term is AR to the n minus 1. Common difference, common ratio. You can also check the common ratio. So this is your A1, this is your A2, this is your A3. So what is your A2 by A1? A2 by A1 is AR divided by A. A goes off R. What is your A3 divided by A2? A3 divided by A2. AR square divided by AR. A goes off, R and the R goes off. So you have R. So what is your common ratio? R in both cases. Okay. So this is geometric progression. Let's do some example questions. Example 9. Find the 10th term, A10, and the nth term of the GP 5, 25, 125, etc. So what is your A? First term 5. What is your common ratio? A2 by A1. This A1, this A2. So A2 by A1, 25 by 5, 5. So you know the first term, you know the common ratio. What is the formula to find the nth term? A R to the n minus 1. So what is it? 5 times. What is your R? 5 to the n minus 1. This is your nth term. Now what is your 10th term? A10 is AR to the n minus 1. What is your n? 10. When you substitute the values, what do you get? What is your A? 5 times R ku da power, A ku kadayadu. Okay? So R, what is your R? 5 to the power 10 minus 1 is 9. So when you add the powers, what do you get? 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So 5 to the power 10. This is your final answer. Okay? Original answers, you can just leave it like that. You don't have to sit and multiply 10 times. Okay? Example 10. Which term of the GP 2, 8, 32 and so on up to n terms is 1, 3, 1, 0, 7, 2. Okay? So you need to find the value of n for which the nth term is 1, 3, 1, 0, 7, 2. Okay? So what do you know? You have A equals 2, the first term. What is your common ratio? A2 by A1. So 8 by 2, which is 4. What is your nth term? It is given to be 1, 3, 1, 0, 7, 2. You need to find n. Okay, question purida. Which term of this GP is this? So n and n. If you find n, that is the nth term. Okay. So what is the formula? An equals AR to the power n minus 1. N minus 1 is only for R. Okay, A kadayadu. Remember. So what is your A? 2. What is your R? 4 to the power n minus 1 is nothing but 1, 3, 1, 0, 7, 2. Okay. I'm going to bring 2 to this side. So what do I have? 1, 3, 1, 0, 7, 2. Be very careful with numbers. Divided by 2 equals 4 to the power n minus 1. So when I cancel by 2, I have 2 6 are, 2 5 are, 2 5 times, 2 3, 2 6. What do you have? 6 5 5 3 6 equals 4 to the power n minus 1. So what do you do in such cases? If for example, in the pakkom, if this is something, 4 to the power 10 is this value, and you have 4 to the power n minus 1, what can you do? Since the bases are equal, the powers are equal. Appo enna pannalam? 10 equals n minus 1. So you can do this. So basically what I'm trying to do is, I need to write this particular number in multiples of 4. So what do I do? Prime factorization by 4. 6, 5, 5, 3, 6. And I do it by 4. 1, 6, 12, 8, 4. 4, 0, for 8, 9, 36. 4, 1, 0, 4 2s are 4 4s are 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 4 6 24 4 4 1 times 6 times So what do I have? 4 times 4. So how can I write this? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 to the power 8. So your 6, 5, 5, 3, 6 is nothing but 4 to the power 8. So how can you write this? 4 to the power 8 equals 4 to the power n minus 1. So since the bases are equal, the powers are equal. So you have 8 equals n minus 1, n equals 9. That is your answer. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to write 6, 5, 5, 3, 6. 4 oda powers are edha pakren because the base here is 4. So I need the base to be 4 to some power. So I'm going to do the prime factorization. This method is called the prime factorization, but I'm actually using a composite number here because that's what is needed. So na 2 ala panni time waste pannala. So I'm just doing it with 4. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 to the power 8 equals 4 to the power n minus 1. So equating the powers, you get n equals 9.